come up as Oakbrook Terrace.
Yes.
Yeah. So it just, I mean, you know, it all just, I don't know. Some of our stuff comes Oakbrook Terrace, but
I'm over with Jim in Villa Park. Different than Lake Villa. Here is the air handler. It's a little tight back here. All electric. Measurements to come. He does have a humidifier. We'll be able to put a small one back there.
or you were saying something about putting it on this side.
Yeah. That might make more sense, actually.
You know, to have it so it goes right up, right into the, instead of coming down and through